Direct replacement. This radiator drain petcock matches the fit and function of the original equipment part. Durable construction. This part is made of quality materials for a long service life. Saves money. Offers original equipment quality at a competitive price. Quality assured. This petcock has undergone virtual testing to assure proper fit and function. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This radiator drain petcock is a direct replacement for the original equipment plug that may have deteriorated or corroded. Made of quality materials, this petcock is engineered to strict standards for durable use over time. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly. This item works perfectly on a 2003 Ford Expedition. There were no problems at all. The hex head on the factory original drain plug twisted off when I tried to loosen it. I was able to loosen it with a 9/16 in Allen wrench and then I pulled out the broken piece. This new drain plug went right in its place.